DenariiDFi's comparative analysis, BRICS versus G20 leadership in Web3 development. The leadership in the development and adoption of Web3 technology is influenced by various factors, including regulatory frameworks, technological infrastructure, and economic power. Here's a detailed comparative analysis of BRICS and the G20 in this context. BRICS: Brazil, Russia, India, China, South Africa. 1. Technological advancements. China is a global leader in blockchain technology, with significant investments and developments in this area. The country has launched its own central bank digital currency, CBDC, the digital yuan, and has a strong focus on blockchain integration in various sectors. India is rapidly advancing in the tech sector with significant interest in blockchain technology. The Indian government and private sector are investing in blockchain solutions for supply chain, finance, and public services. 2. Regulatory environment. BRICS nations have diverse regulatory environments. China, for example, has a stringent approach to cryptocurrencies but is very supportive of blockchain technology. Other BRICS nations are still in the process of developing clear regulatory frameworks for Web3 technologies. 3. Collaborative projects. BRICS countries are collaborating on initiatives that could pave the way for Web3 adoption, including cross-border payment systems and digital infrastructure projects. G20, Group of 20. 1. Economic and technological powerhouses. The G20 includes the world's largest economies, such as the USA, EU, Japan, and South Korea, which are significant players in the development and adoption of Web3 technologies. These countries have robust technological infrastructures and considerable investments in blockchain and digital currencies. 2. Regulatory leadership. Many G20 countries are at the forefront of developing regulatory frameworks for cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology. For example, the European Union has introduced the Markets in Crypto Assets (MiCA) regulation, providing a clear legal framework for crypto assets. The US has also been proactive in regulating the crypto space, with the SEC and CFTC playing key roles. 3. Global influence and coordination. The G20 has significant global influence and the ability to coordinate international standards and policies. This coordination can drive the widespread adoption and integration of Web3 technologies. Additional factors for BRICS. 1. Innovation hubs. China, with cities like Shenzhen being innovation hubs, China is heavily investing in fintech and blockchain startups. The government's support for blockchain projects, despite the crypto trading ban, highlights their commitment to leading in blockchain technology. Russia is exploring blockchain for various uses, including its financial sector and digital economy projects. The country has shown interest in utilizing blockchain for government services and its national currency digitalization efforts. India, the rise of blockchain initiatives like the India Chain, a blockchain network aimed at transforming the public sector, and India's large pool of IT professionals position the country well for Web3 advancements. 2. Collaborative initiatives. BRICS nations have initiated the BRICS payment system to reduce reliance on Western financial systems and foster direct transactions among member states. Integrating blockchain in such initiatives could enhance transparency and efficiency. 3. Resource management and supply chain innovations. Blockchain in natural resources. BRICS countries, with their rich natural resources, could leverage blockchain for better resource management, transparency, and efficiency in supply chains. For instance, blockchain can help track the origin and movement of commodities like oil, gas, and minerals, reducing fraud and improving sustainability practices. 4. Government-led initiatives. Brazil's digital currency. Brazil's central bank has been exploring a digital currency, CBDC, and blockchain applications to enhance financial inclusion and efficiency in the banking sector. This aligns with broader BRICS initiatives to reduce dependency on Western financial systems. South Africa's blockchain programs. South Africa has been testing blockchain for land registry and financial services, which could position it as a leader in applying Web3 technologies to solve socio-economic issues. 5. Economic diversification. Russia and India's IT sectors. Both countries have strong IT sectors that can drive innovation in Web3. Russia's emphasis on blockchain for government and industrial applications, and India's large pool of blockchain developers, position them well to create transformative Web3 applications. Additional factors for G20. 1. Technological ecosystems. Silicon Valley and tech hubs. The presence of Silicon Valley in the US and other tech hubs in G20 countries, like Berlin, Tokyo, and Seoul, provides a fertile ground for Web3 innovation. These hubs attract talent and investment necessary for rapid technological advancement. Advanced infrastructure. G20 countries generally have more advanced digital infrastructure, including high-speed internet, cloud computing facilities, and established tech ecosystems that support the rapid deployment and scaling of Web3 technologies. 2. Research and academic contributions. Leading universities and research institutions. Many G20 countries host world-leading universities and research institutions that are at the forefront of blockchain and Web3 research. This academic backing accelerates innovation and provides a steady stream of skilled professionals entering the industry. 3. Regulatory leadership and financial stability. Comprehensive financial regulations. G20 nations often have more comprehensive and robust financial regulations that can create a safer environment for the development and adoption of Web3 technologies. This can attract more mainstream investors and large enterprises to participate in the Web3 ecosystem. 4. Infrastructure and investment. Investment in research and development. G20 countries have substantial investments in R&D for emerging technologies, including blockchain and AI. This funding supports innovation and the development of new Web3 applications. Public-private partnerships. Strong collaboration between governments and private sectors in G20 countries accelerates the development and deployment of Web3 solutions. Initiatives like the UK's Financial Conduct Authority's regulatory sandbox promote innovation in fintech. 5. Global financial influence. The G20's role in setting global financial policies and standards provides a platform to influence the adoption of Web3 technologies worldwide. Their coordinated efforts in establishing standards can drive global interoperability and integration of blockchain solutions. 6. Local and regional initiatives. China's Digital Silk Road. China's Belt and Road Initiative includes the Digital Silk Road, aiming to enhance digital infrastructure in participating countries, which can facilitate the adoption of Web3 technologies in these regions. India's blockchain strategy. India's national blockchain strategy includes developing a robust blockchain infrastructure and encouraging public-private partnerships to drive innovation in Web3. 7. Geopolitical influence. Economic alliances. BRICS countries are exploring ways to reduce their dependency on Western financial systems, which could lead to the development of independent digital ecosystems leveraging Web3 technologies. Technological sovereignty. BRICS nations are increasingly focusing on technological sovereignty, aiming to develop indigenous technologies and reduce reliance on foreign tech giants. G20, Group of 20. 6. Cross-border collaboration. EU and US partnerships. Strong transatlantic collaborations, such as those between the EU and the US, can drive the development of Web3 technologies through shared research, regulatory alignment, and joint ventures. Asia-Pacific synergies. G20 countries like Japan and South Korea are collaborating on blockchain and digital currency initiatives, contributing to a cohesive strategy for Web3 adoption in the Asia-Pacific region. 7. Policy and governance. Global standards. The G20's role in setting global financial and technological standards is crucial for the widespread adoption of Web3 technologies. Their policies can ensure interoperability, security, and regulatory compliance across borders. Public trust and security. G20 countries have established mechanisms to ensure the security and reliability of financial and technological systems, which can enhance public trust in Web3 technologies. Conclusion. The G20, with its comprehensive regulatory frameworks, advanced infrastructure, and significant financial resources, is more likely to lead the global adoption and innovation in Web3. The G20's ability to set international standards and policies, combined with substantial investments in innovation and development, positions them well to lead the global adoption of Web3 technologies. However, BRICS nations will continue to play a crucial role, especially in regions where they have a strong presence and in sectors where they can leverage their unique strengths. The combined efforts of both groups will be instrumental in shaping the future of Web3, with each contributing through its strengths and initiatives. The collaboration and competition between these two blocks will drive innovation and create a dynamic and robust Web3 ecosystem. In summary, while the G20 may have a broader capacity for leading Web3 development due to its economic and technological advantages, BRICS countries are poised to make significant contributions through innovation, regional initiatives, and strategic collaborations. The interplay between these global powers will ultimately shape the trajectory of Web3 technologies on a global scale. Comparative analysis. Scale and resources. The G20 has a broader scale in terms of economic power, resources, and technological infrastructure. This allows for larger investments and more significant projects in the Web3 space. Innovation potential. While BRICS countries are rapidly innovating and have shown considerable potential in niche areas, G20 countries benefit from established tech ecosystems and a history of technological leadership. Regulatory influence. G20's ability to set international standards and influence global financial policies provides a framework that can support the sustainable growth of Web3 technologies. Conclusion. The G20, with its comprehensive regulatory frameworks, advanced infrastructure, and significant financial resources, is more likely to lead the global adoption and innovation in Web3. However, BRICS nations will continue to play an essential role, especially in regions where they have a strong presence and in sectors where they can leverage their unique strengths. The combined contributions of both groups will be crucial in shaping the future landscape of Web3 technologies.